Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Lake Formation with AWS for secure data sharing, full guide step by step clearly. To activate Lake Formation with AWS for secure data sharing, start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the AWS Lake Formation service from the console. Select the Get Started button to begin the setup process. Review the prerequisites for using Lake Formation, including an AWS account and AWS identity and access management permissions. Choose the appropriate Amazon Simple Storage Service bucket for your data lake. Set your bucket as the location for storing your data lake. Next, configure your AWS identity and access management roles to provide access. Grant permissions to users and services that will interact with Lake Formation. Move on to register your data sources in Lake Formation. Utilize the data catalog to create and manage metadata for your data sources. After registering your data sources, establish Lake Formation permissions for tables and databases. Define the access control policies according to your organization's data governance requirements. Test the data access using AWS Glue to ensure everything is functioning as expected. Verify the data sharing capabilities with other AWS accounts or organizational units. Document your Lake Formation setup and configurations for future reference. Ensure to regularly monitor and audit data access through AWS CloudTrail logs. By following these steps, you can successfully activate Lake Formation with AWS for secure data sharing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.